Kuko the bird, I live on the tree. I lived there with my happy family, brothers, sisters, and granny. But I should move from one tree to another different tree, because the trees, they're gone, oh, they're gone, one by one. It's the monsters who took our trees. They cut it down, 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 down. Now they have planted new concrete trees. It grows fast but has no branches or leaves. Ooh, now I think I should move from one sea across another sea to find new land that's safe and no more monsters around. My granny said to me, one day we'll fight back. We won't let them take away the trees from us anymore. My granny said to me, one day we'll fight back. We won't let them take away the trees from us anymore.